Mettle nankasa mayo. Wa mai teko baya. Boss we na ni a start. E bi catch us a beef na boadwuma. So nteko no yi pesenya kudia be hu say nenum ye Mettle se na na ha say ni adia. Anko bia yesu nyamia oyenwa e de nyamia se no e se ni patient. Me na me kru bo se ba se kreke nanka ye nyamia ka.
Yo, gang, is another day. So I just say we a beef. Yeah, my mom got say beef, but then in your body, I was here. So I just say, Mediane, I'm strong. Poleeno there. So unsubscribe to Poleeno Multimedia and patch or subscribe to the channel. So that anytime you post the video, we'll be straight. Bruh, me more kwaba.
Yeah.
Yes, beef now, but we in your money.
Beef there. Entertainment be a beef boom and a guy part to be able to say beef piano. Ebino nya dajin follow the steps of entertainment industry.
They ain't in a beef here, started from a no cry. But before then, no beef I can't watch them. I started from Fela McCarthy, Sister Debbie,
okay, Pimpolo,
neba fiane
Baroni.
And I say, I say also a fiane Freda Rhymz. I kick your money in every minute.
Beef. Now, because
and some façon,
say. When you say, especially this pandemic here by coronavirus, no. Yeah. All sectors of the entertainment industry, no, about from. Okay. When it gets to a point like that, you need, people with creative mind and people who can create something. Ebia, we say by we say shatamo, we are much show there normal live band be to entertain their fans through their Instagram and all those social media platforms, no. But beef no boa in a way says you see obi a person otie the way by a kind strong man medical thereby. Who say it true our boys will be what the more to be a competitive, the more they get to listen to whatever you brought out, it makes you the more popular. Okay. Nti beef no there say industry mu kura say kwakuma no na bia le wen issues ba the moment about say ne kwakuma no le wen amako share wa ho obi abakọ hwe adekọ ekoso ana vi say movie kura obi person okohwe say movie na omkohwe no. Indeed, I'm click within. I'm tempted to say in terms of the acting, Nti beef no there, eba nwumu eye, eba sinimu eye. If you benya kura anka, edom kura anka beef no.
Endudum.
Endudum. The autonomous in toast na nyo.
Neza, eduru dia wa no nya den dia na.
What as you do toast na nyo, o ka do boa na dia na, okofa wa yi. Some aboy ho ba bi.
That's right, mate. Yes, beef no. You been your crack getting new or the your mamma for no winter. But the American say beef we now ban Freda Rhymz and sister because you say no, you dog your mama can ya bobia for. You say a cat
to Freda Rhymz sister fear.
Omumi no. They make me be say why not take advantage more.
Me Monday so be some part there. Make say Freda Rhymz I take more advantage. Okay. Because any be I sister fear there. I build sort of a deep beer man home. What I say, she say, for you known what I say, but we be fear bar between the Freda Rhymz can on come crowd, but to meaning baby creativity near you man say
this my time to
also take advantage and I'm pass one because people who did not know Freda Rhymz, me myself na me onyo bia me follow sir say she was there as a entertainer, musician, blah blah, but na me ni nachi. Okay. But we by obi e penahwe no. And indeed one Freda Rhymz see beef from there. The number sama me followers
I see me YouTube account go subscribe almost subscribe.
What I say beef ne buy e buy na obi e koso akotie. Nti be dem hunu so obi sam say hwan na akonu to an advantage make say Freda Rhymz. Okay.
But then Kofo Bebre so can say this is not the right time I was saying komo beefy because COVID era omunya shows more samini ne Shatawale nya beef no na yenim se shows ebeba nti omo beef ya show ne ba ene aba bepe de ebekoso
omo a kasa no me no mo ya dwene baabi ana me no mo nya dwene baabi baabi am no mo ya dwene sampa ka beef de ya now at the time I was shows be a okobo so that to pull the crowd to the show now mo koya na mpo boa ma e bia wo koya show bi kura Freda Rhymz abaho ge na ototo bo sister fia no baba na de ba be show no sister fia odo dika attack no baroni no nanka ama nkofo be show no but sesi ababi am no nya dwen so say most of the artists no obia wo ni YouTube account our followers the more they follow you the more you get no confuse ni bomo bai sana nkan fo beka no confuse enti one way or the other but the best time to do beef is when there's social gathering sana event ikoko so o check out Shatawale maybe one trade fair line no
because no shatter cry the beef we buy no be ba she senior most Abegu Santana say I didn't know also beef no so I don't know did
shatter no wade bi wono ho in fact the creativity ya mpena sempa or a guy bi a otumi create ade like nyom no kwan of first create no like or you good in creating music what you say however abrebia obohu say ade na ayeko no enhedam favor no na so no so dinu be wura mu bi
okay in a way to penetrate into the
it also person apampam de ni ono so person no twitwimu kakra na say anya bi asata kra na say ye bebo Freda Rhymz abebo sister fia no mo so no so ndia be wura mu bi ti enye boni no di wura mu ko na ohwa na asa ye ni di nkofo mo akwa Freda Rhymz sister fia etino sa de na me so mo wura na nko shata Freda Rhymz sister fia
nti on no medis you bia
menye so ana obedis so enya nwa o ze shata de no ye kasa this and sa beef ndia oye king kong oye champion ka king kong pa ya tito no obetu agbowo at any time and he's so dynamic in a sense that o ma hu time obaya die bi
okay
so e bisa na question be about time sack release ni nyumi the way I class this one thing no crowd as no we so tie bibia umbia so etimi na mi hunu say ono so pese o ma yedin no enko aba ni din ka ho bi sa na mi hunu
okay but ohe sister fia ne Freda Rhymz so we can share with TV3 and sister fia yes so be attacking and me crowd the beef ni statistics me follow up kakra sister fia ka so no ambo ni din nti den nti na also bo ni din nti on de ochi na obebo no enye this tribe
enkoye beef keke on the beef no or the blows be from na beef blows
okay and kan yankosi wa de ko share no TV3 no security pattern e push no ne manager kule twe no ba chale so an yesterday
was yeah but the thing say I think sister Fia she's getting things to overboard like she's going overboard I say she's going extreme what I say beef no same the kaka is good but once obi beef uko na abakoto blow afam no expect it because when you live in a glass door you don't throw stone what you should dem man to bo off because you say oh should make e what to be e bokobo obi his scream that be obi scream
okay
also ofie ni na glass ye be down bigiri na egu fom ntino so you say woni akoma ye de ko beefa don't go for it go tie the customer you tie interview so yeah the last time with the empress na the we the customer to say emotionally as adna ha no so as again na ko boni chen ni secret bi so anka on person e be public consumption that is say e no akobo so tia amade na ha no
nti the organize officer or say the Freda Rhymz e kan no no current na has sister fia na
well so utie the customer say na me say open masma na madam for no blah 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 but the why you say me hu amehwe that means there's an altar of truth somewhere me know what I say because on not based on judging from what I say Ono say also ni we da blah 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 blah. And I'm nyina so amosha so you and I were not there. They be ameka. So what I say?
Yeah, any hobby.
Any hobby. And I heard this song no de we points be boom. And say boxer be agya ring mu a or ta so be page akono da bo ha na page we gina ho. So won Freda Rhymz no we say wa amuni din. Of course, wa modi but ono ye quote unquote me person be misquote me. We underground.
Yeah.
Because all the two step here one.
Yeah.
And because the fear is way higher than her. What I say, it's one modi, and also I also say, but me baby, okay, me bufu say, okay, sa chicken, sa chicken, mommy, sa chicken, you dion, we did the Freda Rhymz.
Okay.
Eh, be a tone more, and I say sa chicken. It doesn't make that word yours. Into a case, oh boss, sa chicken into nemia. Catch him some mammy. Do you pen or nifitable? One mumidi, but me feel say or some boarding. And all boardings are about to her advantage. A buy a one way say no, or no crack, said the subscribers and as someone the followers no. A coso, a coso I want to inca. A buy what several interviews. Everyone can yet we a buyer, come on a friend for interview. What I say, Sister Fear should accept the fact, she should understand the game. Say, blow na air, but nippon or to blow no. Or no, quote unquote, desperate to throw a punch. Yeah. It is all they bo near some payo, so this is some mouse here,
whichever
whatever. Because oh, by me, tear Rami baby, or Rami, there was just a beef burger. What has a man was just a beef burger? Doctor, allegedly say, cause sister, I say no barony honor. Obiasu say barony soon Oyobia body ni termini adia nti she that's your style no to feel no and na man so ba no fe nti me feel say so kase wa money di nti no so so boni di a de odape no di fitable
na Freda Rhymz say sister Fia ye too emotional nti obeye yiwia no akotina life no wosu ene ye because we too emotional but Mcbrown show you so in as much as say omunyina na asem ne ha omo no at a point in Freda yes so Nyarko am empress can say we twa family
see emotion the whole sister Fia ni mu a you could say adro na nim as asem no kan no aha no and also you are belittle my brand ne sa nyama no adeba ko kan in fact mani anchi ge na ho me pena sempa ne nyuma me de pa okay sister Fia ne nyuma me de pa
very good
also the first track of the buy no I loved it.
Okay.
And I like if you also God be so good then you want the banyina your bad. What I say the hate then you want the banyina God be so a hate. And no can dey back a amanfo adwen koso. Also ono nko as a single person oba ono na produce no ye bibia. I think there's a plus for women and our ladies among the right now. They always want to depend on be a man. We also we sabe we ni ma dance na obo me we ni ma do be no ni means no e solid there but we as say so bre oyiro ho a onso betumi a make di obi a make ni bi ananya sa na ka no so nti ho nko ade me man plus me tu chema no say upon all this hate ni asa ono ana okukura na ade it's a plus to her them emotion there mama once our do sakoto ya ifoduan fashion otiso obi die tu ase because ona ode ohokotu ade kwa na nka amanfo bi kwa so fi se mfa ho de na nso koto to bi fom ama e say de ono kra ni beef no akwa akoda ma e say wona Freda Rhymz na maja boso
enti de na make can say de okay say obi na start na we akwaji aboso no eno afrim e kwan ba so na obetimi awewere ma na wontimi nwem bi
oh
when so dey beef
when agro no anye de agro no anye de because na yen say yetie so mo anye beef na yes we to try and discuss beef it omo anye beef near discuss beef but what the little advice I want to give is that beef no sesa tradu momane
okay
momane is when sister Fiase we chia your friend is saying Freda Rhymz obabono I fiscal assault now I think say no dey mo it's not healthy for the
and go for say and so embrace because
oh no
is America for no
Tupac
Amaro Shako no
Tupac was one of the finest American, rapper. But because of these gangsters, beef na different nyumu eba physical no and I'm want to me and try we as yanche amonyum. It's almost sad the bar. Okay, just say Freda Rhymz.
I'm see a copy of Mondia near copy.
There be a copy my young copy the good side. What I say 50 cents we so crown dollars fuck you blah 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 or the scan on. I mean a side. What I tell Bwama koso. Because you see a BM say sister Fiane Freda Rhymz fa nyemu a e bia ho jeje a o ga sister Fia mu odu Freda Rhymz so ye slim kakra an ya be so bebu mu ba me hu tiete mi so e stubborn what you say kasani mo de wuchim ko nchim ho na bo so akokasa ma ntokwa nti e basa emwa onti omdo mo fanyo na ba elo in fact o free agreement be me ya yi pa
okay
elo utie mi in fact be bia obi a san hye foforo fa be wuwum be kwa oba fa pachi panchi omu nyina hwe ano so hu o de minim so otumiye ade ba kwa amwa enobaron she's my friend though those days I know it's my kitchen restaurant they be hot ma oba de nyum ba na ya bo na amafo wa filisa anu ne ade one e bo na nyum bi kura na e kama pa obi abanye bla bla o ye no remisi bi kama pa eno de o you good but
very good
adentia bia for me that's my opinion bia dentia onu that top or a good rapper I just say obondia section of people
according to Bulldog Cross or better than Sakode.
Well, and I on new opinion because Sak the king there and don't play the king because King Sak there all can't say no to was because we didn't go much onya de anko nyinam ebi ma kwaba abeton odaso ntino king there masa no ba say baron asma na make no baron to me de singing kakreka ho and feature more artists amonso sing boa ne nyum no and an rapping na akababo am top so we say sister Fia approve to all and sundry say if given the chance she can also rap and the rap even though it was a diss song no utia was again no she's full of talent nti ankabalo ne so forcewa na anka de ode bebe iko on fa bibi ntutu ase to be class there ya asako de ho
a strong man no ne after on medical so make your boy lazy bang
na yi na medi no ya kakra yeah ayi sister Fia medical sana make
why dey
there be nothing wrong ye about 2 points ba kono
no be address issue no
ba address issue be wrong ye nim say dey utume ye ba medical dey me nyame no kreni who say car rap in Ghana on you with 2 categories your rap on ye entertainment like ono dey ji wani o translate tie bi ye mfa no nyom nsa ye mfa mo nyom nsa and you obi so mo ye commercial rap utumi dey who say sana ite medical tie what the best omada no de nema no wurawura mu saa kwa semo ye mfa mo nyom nsa ya utie na what ase ne miami nia kwa da ise ase ne man sheda enkoye man ya de so hu omo nyom ye ntie mfa nsa utie na ese o twebe mi oba o chane kwa na dance abo kakraba utie na other ones na rap no untu mfa nsa ma ne ye tie but pono bi omo ba we mu de medical ne sa kodem ne adam tumi ya rap no a utumi di asem na ye ene sa ne man tumi de beef now they shouldn't end it we are enjoying it but it shouldn't go beyond the bed and beyond the beef na nkoye mo money and the sa kan say bi
all right yes beef now come a guy what you say I had ye pay so what you say chicken sack can sack in kan ho ono ne yi nya
ah wonya nko ba mu
oni we ni say we dey man to
ba ken no za ken no guy no ho
oni asem nya obeto wa kwa no bodai
asamana
oni asem
there be na asem de no de band dey nyese me no
floating stones with jam no bra but o my
what I say ken na ken obobo ni nyina no da be umba ku so we obi a hosted me
me no obi feature na no obetwa we
what I say no otwa to 1 2 3 no watwe ho afrim ba asem de no de band no asem de no de be punching na anomre I say it's more of American style but am for inside and game say na manama de
na papi kura make fun
what I say nya dia na sheda click sa ko nya bre pass up to punch dia just so kon so to dia no sisi ani o my Ghanaian version of the rap to say the exact mo ya what Ghanaian wo to say medical what wo to say boy your friend say I went there. Oh, this boy don't AMG nyai. Strong man. Yeah. So at least yen Ghanaian no na kwa na guy there and there na kwa more of American and so groom no am for ni bra pre no so that say
and ti mo nka kam ho na beef no enye solid na yeso ye buy it menya bia de aka na abeje say we point no we di anu den we di anu mre na
ya ketumi hu say hwana
ye best rapper
Abrona na kwa na wa she hin onu so fa na homagimbi so na kwa grandmama zere mfansa en saka the time anka wu twam no ananka wo twam no na ko wotumi atike advantage no for bi na kan yo o se akola ne kawa ena enko opani ba na duane de wotumi di so that say bia minimum business or now there but once a musician always a musician you take advantage na kwa me enso enyaje o za Abrona no so e guru pa o so Obama, what you say?
But then, sir, I say, be a Regina, be fair, cause now Regia be where say over this. Who's a respect our winning?
Have you who's a true be on? Beef number one farm, Macrona, yet a 12 feature.
Okay.
What do you say? Shut up, Debitoir, Reggie.
Yeah, the one. No, but so I'm Fino.
Oh, Fino. One fan in music wise. One responded through music.
Yeah.
But Okasai.
Yeah.
Who's there? Adna punchy, you know, Brass and American life now. Hey, I'm gonna pay a fake share, man, and Miss Adam. But I'm never to talk about also in our session, Miss Adam, happening. But it will be a just how to me about who say a cast of beef now. You know, all the time out or the where's a ABA to a Ibebu Kofu. If you try advice, we na ebia abrona na ehwe me ebia munyina mon kama no ntum ya sha agro na sna mo mai say this na
agro we try beef video
me mano
bas
me mano clue kanaka o de sis others say
yeah kan beef ni mo denti mun so so nchini ngum na yentimi ndi ni na yedi ayetimi ame because mbe na ase ye so ha na eja emwa kensa one asem de no opa reload and how they reply flocking de no na ye hwe de flocking so be
ba flocking senior man no senior de do won se ba bi ode konna asa opeja na de akoto dogu bi ko ba se idia on se flocking very good flocking stone omo
mi enu sia de ebe hu on say sa ko de manifest CI but no the manifest here bro for 70
what is it
Mcbrown punches ni years
ah tell me gone to my girl
sa na ko de ga o bro fa ho chira de o legon
what is it
but a buffalo king na also no
the sack ni me bi onu so ni me
what is it
mum sa
ti e bon mielu na
kabe kama pa sa ba sa beef na kabe enjoy pa ana ken sack o de ni do tuye we asa wo ya che frukin de wa was udi mu am fa be to so ho na kroma ye de na kroma ye koro sa no ne abia so ye stress ne kakra ba sa kwanka na ke bobu isolation centers no because ko bi ntumi ho me o te na wa so
hey sa ko de ne
flokin ya ayo kana waji buma sore en sa na me
say bia me yare na me nya tse sa ko de en flokin e beef faster tia
o ya de onyale kura en sa na me ne mana
ti monye hard na Charlie mama game ni mnye de seniors mummy oni nyina o magina game ni
oh yeah ba so ureti ase sack no
say nyoma bi on the flow no almost start as brothers no nti ba ko drop in na say ama movement
na we say kutakinje nyina asem na wokan
yeah
oh
so interview
interview no to the day no wo abono ho no to the guy no even though so yare nyina no he love music or passion or Jamaica kana so ye bibi se kane no na yare enti amman kama say but all the best you've done well I mean mama ye ni age anti no and you know we saw what you did
Sane I have for you can hire Poleeno Multimedia anything be a urban stations what I say and any beef bia no ye the bebro what I say until you follow channel na the ope there nko na ye de ma aha and I ye de beef asem no e besi for now when you say ye de see beef ye
ba yimu dem de amon so nya na mo mba hyemu kena mo hyemu kena
hwan
ai pejanya akone ai dia no
okay oni ayi no
Mettle wo the Mettle nan kasa mayo wo mai te ko baya
ina send gospel
na gospel ya na ni start medical church beef na bo adwuma
no kre
so ntia kono ayi pejanya ko de be wu se na nwum ye Mettle se na na ha se ni adiai so hu anko bia yesu nyamia oyenwa de nyamia se no ehia ni patient me na me kru bo se basa kreke nanka ye nyamia ka
nanka aye hold
but I was believing constructive beef
okay
more the end the gospel dey anya tenie me na me to bono ni say am so me to en you say friends and you kra be hate no gan mo so I like mo no nyum bia hate
me to be honest gospel there
enyo lame lame ba se na ni mu akwa me dey say me all I am follow mo nyina say
me follow HDA gospel no more I'm
now powder some more SDA nyum there
young missionaries mo na
powder na some more SDA
oh say me ka
so modern day SDA so modern day what you say
makani mo na meti o
on the typical SDA Pamshanu no Pamshanu so quite SDA ni tina we bias no
oh yes me bias but eno na say
I will watch yeah so we Peshanya kono ni be bia minwo metina say beautiful song any ba ku na no de body abaji yini obi nya ne mi in fact enyimu a heti ba bia am pelifo skafo na no kwa hwe ye papa despite ne be ye say su hwe ni kansi ni ade che say why ade ba sense no ka man for visa say jealousy kakra be but mo and no ho
for say odika
odika but say ne nya do ni ye na edi gina no is about do wodi ne ebo now
sa akwa say kwamna domo put me on BBC and you say bia ne modern mo the links
into one links no called Mettle no or a guy bia mistake performance who had nyama or message no jemu at least what I say or the or me feel that American you know
legon for na last time no
what I say
tech for no
but no ne who's a tech for no oh you my careful straight cause or but no ne
what
I say can you o kan da ni mo o kan da and I'm sorry man how that to be friend there almost the na gospel tie nka so mon gidigidi but at least obi am na church ni ntia
we are one
what I say Pejanya kono che say
them cast me dey me fe Pejanya ko interview bi o ye na sen ya o say odon dey o say onim say Mettle ni hit tracks bi na so ni enyum bebre and the interview na say Mettle about 40 tracks.
So you can add 60 to make it.
You can add 60 to make it 100. And when I the both no papa.
I'm sorry, I cannot be here. Any idea? All the money about one idea, but it's good. So sorry, yeah. Now news.
Yeah,
Did Mettle ban on some interview go outside Danny?
Yeah.
Imam clue free.
I'm on financial.
On financial so na ka bibia mbra na ka ne. Enko fere papa Kofi Abraham mo ya sapo mu na mewuram bi na che se mpenifo no to anka aso mu twa mu no za
some de no betime ya futuo
na make on de nye 2 beef o ase afutuo bi saa na man saa ne manyama no so
mu e ba ya started no about then
what I say na saa ne manyama no a de e ba go na de so that
say no ye kana ye de beef but ye impede the negative beef na say e betra beef na say akoye sika ntwe ne to train
brone sane manyama
nti aha ena ye di show ne besi brown final west
nde be de na men shada nkase bebre but momo de ase beef no enkoso Freda Rhymz this is the time for you to explore also to me take dominion take advantage lockdown in terminal no I establish one hugely say be able to me afa ho are you overtaking so na me channel na sister fianso no once we ka akoto short no de gitum say odon sa akoto ntu bedi fa o past life for private life nyina any emotional thing na ku nchen na si agrom ye ko me tu chema on the way our rap no utumi share share me ade ora paper see rap paper so unti wow very good you know don't give up man kola no tu fa so say yakobo chem say papa bia anum sa na ma no me do see
alright hana ye dey issue na be no sim she say oche what the review ya no why share na your boss no so achi obi and Poleeno Multimedia bye.